I recently decided to take a leap and go for the pop-on veneers. As you can see, my teeth are not pretty and white. I have missing teeth in the bottom. I have missing teeth in the back. I was skeptical. I didn't know what they would be like, but I inquired, and within 2 days, I got my kit to do the impressions. Within about 7 to 10 days, I got my box that contained my pop-on veneers. When I got my veneers, I was so excited. They even sent back my 3D mold of my teeth. You can see here, this is the bottom with the missing teeth. And then here is my veneer for the bottom. One thing I love about them also is, other than you don't have to use adhesive, is they are not flat. They are molded like my teeth would be if I had good teeth. Put them in, they pop. And they're secure. I got the natural white, and I am so excited that I did. I took a step, I took a chance, and it has really been worth it. I've had mine for about 4 or 5 days now. I'm still getting used to them, but I love them. I love to be able to smile and talk and not be ashamed. So if you're thinking of pop-on veneers, go for it. You will not regret it. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers, for making affordable, beautiful smiles for everyone.